Hey, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're gonna look at this 2027 Grady-White 336 Canyon. Boat's been optioned in the ocean mist whole side colors. You have your bow thruster up front, windlass anchor. The boat's been powered by twin Yamaha 450 XTOs. Let's step aboard and see what the inside of the boat has to offer for 27. All right, now that we're on the bow of the 2027 Grady-White 336 Canyon, ample seating up front with storage on the port and starboard side. You'll also have freshwater and raw water hookups up front, anything you need to clean up for the day. There's an optional bow shade that clips into the hardtop to cover this whole area, with a bow filler cushion as well. Step back towards the helm here. We'll stop at the cabin on the way. So in the cabin here, have a small bed downstairs, also access to your thermostats, coolers, and your generator panel. If you come here towards the helm, notice the clip-ins for your spray shield, isinglass. As we come to helm, you'll see we have a blank slate here, so add any type of electronics you want. What I do have standard here is the Helm Master joystick, and what is new for 27 would be the wireless joystick, where everything you can use from your autopilot and your joystick is here in a handheld remote. So move anywhere you want from the transom all the way to the bow and maneuver the boat however you would like. 3 wide helm chairs here with batteries underneath. And as we come back here to the leaning post, you'll notice this boat's been optioned with twin live wells, fresh water, and tackle storage. And then up top, as always, we'll have our shade with our Gemlux outriggers. As we come back here to the transom of the boat, have your large fish box here, which has chill plates in it. So set whatever temperature you'd like with a few bags of ice to keep your catch cool for the day. Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. If you want to come by and see the rest of this boat, give us a call at 706-455-0468.